Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is ALIA AKASYAH binti MOHD. My nama matrik is CF190057. Okay, today I will present one part about introduction for this project. As you can see, this project describes the application of interpolation in civil engineering by creating the problem statement which is required to solve using linear interpolation. In mathematics, linear interpolation is a method of curve fitting using linear polynomial to construct new data point within the range of a discrete set of no data point. If the no point are given by the coordinate x0, y0 and x1, y1, the linear interpolant is the straight line between these points. For the value x in the interval x0, x1, the value y along the straight line are given for the equation of slope. Solving this equation for y, which is the unknown value x cubed here, which is the formula for linear interpolation in the interval. Outside the interval, the formula is initial to linear extrapolation. Linear extrapolation on a set of data points is defined as a concentration of linear interpolant between each pair of data points. This result is continuous curve with a discontinuous derivative in general to differently class. Linear interpolation on data set at this red point consists of piece of linear interpolant at this blue line. Okay, for this objective project is to investigate the rainfall data at Johor Bahru Johor, and second, to apply linear interpolation in solving the interpolation problem. Okay, from this problem statement, this project will solve the problem statement for this project. The problem statement is to determine of monthly perception in Johor Bahru Johor for June to December 2021. Detailed rainfall data required for this project to calculate the surface runoff in this area. This runoff is a major source of flooding and water pollution in urban community. Impervious surface such as the road, parking lot, rooftop and sidewalk are constructed during land development. During rainstorm and other precipitation event, this surface carry polluted storm water to storm drain. Instead of allowing the water to percolate through soil, most of municipal storm sewer system discharge storm water without treatment to stream, river and other water bodies. Urban runoff carry a mixture of such a pollutant as sediment, fertilizer, bacteria, mentals and more.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Azmira Khadijah binti AJIS. My metro number is CF190099. Okay, I will continue to present this part, which is the literature review. Okay, basically there is four sub-part in this topic, which are the introduction and the importance of numerical method in civil engineering, study on Lagrance interpolation method, and lastly the FILA table. So the importance of numerical method in civil engineering. Okay, what is the importance of the numerical method? It is like numerical methods are frequently used in civil engineering. So notably in structure analysis, it is to determine the strength and the moments of structure system prior to their design. So secondly, this major advantage of numerical method is that a numerical solution can be obtained from the problems where an analytical solution does not exist. As we can see, the study on the Lagrance interpolation methods. The Lagrance interpolation can be useful for processing and approximation of the underlying function. It is probably misleading to think of it is as a prediction, though, but if you really know that the underlying curve is nice and smooth throughout the interval curve you are looking at, then a polynomial interpolation give you an arithmetic expression for something that follow that curve pretty well. So moving on to the FILA tables. So there is four things inside this FILA table as shown above. Is like the facts, the idea and learning issue, and lastly the action. So probably we start from the facts by decided to study the monthly precipitation in Johor Bahru, Johor from June to December 2021 in Malaysia. So from that we come up with the ideas. So the information will be used to analyze and calculate the issue by using Lagrance interpolation through the mathematical data manipulation. So by that we coming out with the learning issues. We find the value by using the polynomial of the degree at most in with the property that in the table. So as for the action, we understand the problem and find the relevant information by doing research regarding the causes monthly precipitation. So regarding the others information in the filler table is all from my part. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is AURELIA with metric number CF190069. I will talking about the methodology. So what is Lagrance interpolation? Lagrance interpolation is a method of finding a polynomial that takes a specific value at any given time. An n-order polynomial approximation function fx at discrete point xi where I is equal to 0, 1, 2 until n. The expression are often derived from the van der Waals determinant. Well, an easy way to derive is often derived from Newton difference determinant. So if fx is approximated by an n-degree polynomial, then the n-difference quotient and the n plus 1, the difference quotient of the fx constant are 0.
My name is Arifah Binti Razali, metric number CF190166. I will continue for data and calculation. This is our data for our project. We have June, July, August, September, October, November and December. The monthly precipitation data that was missing on June. Graph chart of the data. The calculation. First, construct the data in table. Second, find LO, L1, L2, L3, L4 with representing x equal to 6 without interacting. Polynomial in terms of x. After that, we proceed to step 3 with checking. The formula is Li in bracket x equal to 1. So we sum up the LO, L1, L2, L3 and L4. If it's equal to 1, it means the calculation that we calculate it's okay. Step 4, we evaluate and by replacing the x with 6. And then we get P4 is 180 millimeter. Therefore, the result of this data is the monthly precipitation of rainfall for June 2021 is 180 nm.
Discussion. Based on the study's surface runoff in this research region is determined by using comprehensive rainfall data that have been shown in the table. Monthly precipitation increased from June to July as shown in the below. Starting in July, monthly precipitation decreased until September and back increased to September to December. So for conclusion, based on the finding, we discover the surface runoff may be calculated by using comprehensive rainfall to calculate monthly precipitation. From July to December 2021, data was be collected in Johor Bahru, Johor. Constructing building above flood level is one solution to the problem of flooding in urban area. And the higher the number of polynomial, the more accurate the answer will be. And the higher the polynomial, the more quick statistically to approximate result with coverage to the price solution. We learn the theory in the class and we apply it in daily life. Thank you.